ahead. Welcome to Menumiz How to series. In this tutorial, you will learn how to use MOAP and directly print dockets in the kitchen when a customer places an online order or by a QR code. Follow these instructions to complete the process effortlessly.
Mobile apps can't run in the background due to restrictions from Google and Apple for privacy and security reasons. To overcome this limitation, menumiz has introduced a utility app named MOAP, which is approved to run or refresh in the background. This allows QR code-based orders to print directly to the kitchen without manual intervention. Follow these steps to set up direct printing to the kitchen. Ensure your printer is set up and functioning. Go to Tableside Ordering Settings and enable MOAP. Then head to User Management section in the menumiz POS app. Create a new MOAP device user. Remember the credentials for it. Go to Printer. Select the docket printer you wish to use for MOAP and grant access to the MOAP user you just created. Download and install the MOAP app on your device. Note that MOAP app is available on iOS, macOS, Android, Huawei, and Windows. Log into the MOAP app using the credentials created in the POS. Make sure to grant all necessary permissions requested like network access, GPS, and work in background to the MOAP app during installation to ensure it functions smoothly. Without these permissions, the app will not work as intended. Make sure the device running MOAP is connected to the same Wi-Fi network as the printer is. Remove the lock screen and disable sleep mode on the device running MOAP. If the device sleeps or the screen locks, MOAP will stop working and you may lose dockets. Keep the device plugged in and charging at all times. Low battery also may cause the MOAP stops working in background. Please wait a few minutes until MOAP displays the printers with a green tag indicating the connection is established. Then click Test and perform a test print. Note: if your device switches networks, it may take a few minutes to re-establish connection with the printers each time you reconnect.
And that's it. By following these steps, QR code orders will print automatically in the kitchen.
Menumiz, digitally yours.